Hi everybody, I'm Blayne Tyler for Finding Sasquatch, coming to you again from Northeast Ontario. Okay, so there's a short video of a brown-haired juvie popping up and down in the grass, watching me while I check out this old car. And it all starts with me hiking through some meadows off trail, and I see something reflecting the sunlight, and it turns out to be this old car, which I'll let you guess the make. So anyway, while I'm there, I get that creeped out feeling I've mentioned before. And I just decide to pan the tree line and the grass. From experience, I know to do this when I go into new areas, bold juvies and everything. So anyway, watch the grass and the tree line and these clips coming up. Oops. And seeing what I can find off trail here. Just an oldie. Chrome in there. And it's old Pontiac. Pontiac what? This car would be beautiful if they would have kept it inside a barn. I don't see the nameplates on it. Alright, well. Someone out there probably knows. Car buffs. Alright, let's get back to work. Okay, so there's probably others. I see others, but it's easier to spot the ones that move. So there's a juvie right there, brown-haired juvie. His hair is glistening in the sun, just to the left of that branch that sticks out. And I'll run that short clip again. Okay, so pretty cool, a real juvie Sasquatch, brown hair popping up and down. I've caught others doing that. Anyway, I just decided to go off trail and I caught this guy, and there's probably others other people will see, but anyway, here's a second car that I found, and there's probably others watching me in this too. Okay, found another abandoned car. Looks like same type. Let's do a little pan here. Okay, so that was just kind of like a bonus clip when I found the second car. I'm a few metals deep in off a trail, which I probably shouldn't be unarmed, but anyway, I kept wanting to look left here, getting a creeped out feeling left, and there's something filling in the gap between the trees over there. Anyway, pretty cool. Real juvie Sasquatch popping up and down in the grass. I filmed them before, and thanks for watching.